Welcome back. Today, in this part of the training, we're going to go over how to choose a portfolio theme within Elegant Themes and set it up within WordPress. Whether you're a photographer, designer, or creative professional, having a stunning portfolio website is essential. So let's dive right in. The first step is to navigate to elegantthemes.com. Once you're there, hover over the Divi link. It's located at the top. A drop down menu would appear, and you should go over to 2000 plus layouts and click that. This will take you to a collection of pre-designed layouts that you can choose from to kickstart your portfolio website. They are laid out in different categories from art and design, business, profit, education, events, fashion and beauty. And you can even type certain keywords like, for instance, portfolio. And then it'll pull up a bunch of different layouts with portfolio in the text. This stuff is taking forever to load. There we go. And we see all the different layouts and templates. And what I usually do, I explore these different various themes. You can click on them, you can look at them, you can view the live demo, and kind of like look at the theme and see if it fits your needs. Consider factors like layout, color scheme, typography, which is just fonts, and overall style. Remember, your portfolio should reflect your unique brand and personality. Now, go back to Divi. Once you've made your decision, what you're going to have to do is click on the pricing button to purchase an Elegant Themes membership. This membership gives you access to all of their themes, including their flagship theme, Divi, which we'll be using for this tutorial. They also provide other features such as social media plugins, email opt-in plugins. They're constantly adding new features, and you could use it to build your own website and the websites of your clients. I already have a membership. I have a lifetime membership. So I'm just going to go straight to my account, and I'm logged in. And then what I'm going to do, because once you log in, you'll see this. And basically what you need, what I use majority of the time, but they have different plugins like that Bloom, Monarch for social media. There's the email opt-in. Here's extra. It's like a magazine theme. But what I usually do is download the Divi theme because this allows you. This comes with pre-made templates, and it also allows you to build front end from scratch, put different layouts in there, color schemes, and basically whatever you want to do for yourself and for the client. So I'm going to put this, and I'm going to name it Divi Portfolio, because I think I have more than one on my desktop. So Divi Portfolio zip, and then I'll be able to distinguish it. So I'm going to save it on my desktop for later use. So the next step in the process, we're going to set up our environment so that we could develop locally. So instead of us setting up WordPress on a live hosting provider, which we will do later on, we're going to work locally on our laptop using Local. Local is a pretty cool tool. It allows you to develop locally within WordPress and Elegant Themes. It provides other features like connecting to like a hosting provider. If you want to go through them, they have pretty good packages. They also have other features like allow you to connect other extensions and plugins for image optimization, compression. So it's a pretty cool tool. It allows you to get stuff done quickly, locally, and then push it up to the hosting provider once you're ready to go live. So if you haven't already downloaded this, please download this tool. Click the download button right here. If you're on a Mac, Intel, Silicon, choose that. If you're on Windows, choose that. Linux, and so on and so forth. I've downloaded this already. So what I'm going to do is just open Local up. And it's running now. And it's running. Okay. So I already have one WordPress site, and you could have multiple WordPress sites. It's another site I was working on for actual paid client. So I'm going to create a new site so you can kind of see the process. So when you click, so let me go back. So when you want to create a new site, you click right here. I think if it's your first site, you'll see this interface that I'm about to click. But I click right here, and you'll have create a new site, create from blueprint, start a new site with a pre-installed elements like plugins and themes. We're not going to do that, but this is something you may want to keep in mind for the future. If you're developing sites that are similar in a particular niche, you could create a site from blueprint, fast track the development process, and save yourself a lot of time. But what we're going to start off with first is creating a new site. So I'm going to keep this selection, and then I'm going to click continue. And then I'm going to call this site portfolio site. Simple. And then you have advanced options. We're going to keep this the default. I'm just going to keep it just like it is. Then I'm going to click continue. I'm going to keep the default and click continue. And then you're going to have your username and password that you create. In this username and password, make sure you save it, put it somewhere safe. And I'm going to say J20. And I'm going to create my password. Make sure. And then this email, I'm going to change it. Make sure you change it to an email that you have access to so that you can reset your password if you ever forget it. So that email in there. Click add site. Your WordPress site is actually being provisioned and set up. So once this is done, we're going to upload the Divi theme to WordPress. And I'm going to show you how to select your theme and upload it and get it started. And so now everything is done. So if you click open site, you see there's a basic theme and template that already comes pre-installed. But what we're going to do is go to WP admin. And this takes you to the login page to log into the dashboard. So I'm going to put in the username, password that I created. There we go. So now we're in the back end. This is the WordPress dashboard. So what we're going to do is first thing is upload the theme. And the first place you would go if you want to upload the theme is go to appearance, themes, and it'll take you to the theme page. And then you'll click add new. And then once you click add new, you'll come to the theme repository where a bunch of themes are already here that you could choose from. But we have our own theme that we're going to upload. So I'm going to click upload theme. I'm going to choose the Divi theme, Divi portfolio zip. That's what we named it. I'm going to upload that, install now. And then after we install, we're going to click activate so we can activate this theme on our site. And this theme is not active on our site. So we can visit the site. And we see here it's not really much going on. You have the Divi logo. The theme has changed, but there's a few things that I got to do. First thing I got to do is create a page. Right? I'm going to create a page. We get rid of these pages. And then I'm going to click add new. I'm going to call this a landing page. Right. And back here is the default. Well, what you have here is two options. You can use the default editor. And this is how it looks. Just wanted to show you. It's kind of hard to build websites with this. I haven't used this in years. I use the Divi builder. So we're going to opt out for the Divi builder. And then click edit with Divi, the Divi builder. This is like an intro. You can kind of skip that. Start building. And then here, once we get here, we're presented with three options. We could build from scratch. We could choose a pre-made layout. We could clone an existing page that we've already created. In this particular instance, we're going to choose a pre-made layout. I'm going to browse layouts. And then this is similar to the website where we could pick layouts from different industries like art and design, business, or different categories. For this one, I'm going to type in portfolio. Right. And I'm going to start looking at these different portfolio websites. I already know what I want, so I'm going to just pick it out, which is the web developer portfolio page. I'm going to click on it, view live demo. I like this. This is simple, straightforward. I like the way the projects are laid out. I like to start your own project so we can get something rolling. I like the testimonials that I hear. I like this contact form, and I like the way this footer is set up. May want to put an about us section somewhere. I can put like my image there and change some stuff around as far as like the topography, the color scheme. I like this layout right here, so that'll probably stay. And change this navigation. So what I'm going to do is go back here, and I'm going to click use this layout. So another thing, in order for you to be able to use the Divi Builder, you're going to have to input your username and the API key. So I know my username, right? API key you grab from your dashboard. So if I go back to Elegant Themes, you may have to bring it up, Elegant Themes, account. And then I'm going to go to my account right here, and then API key is right there. Now it's loaded. And if you scroll down, you'll see the API key. You can just literally click on it and see it's copied. And then you can go back to your dashboard, put the API key in there, submit, and it should start loading. You should be able to upload that theme to your page. And there we go. Our theme is uploaded. Pretty nice. I'm going to change this stuff around. And what I could do is save draft. And then exit Visual Builder. And now we have our theme uploaded. So now in the next video, what I'm going to show you is how you can customize this theme. So yeah, Divi comes with a lot of different themes, but we want to add our own unique touch and brand. We want to add our own unique touch and feel to it. So we'll change like the imagery, change the font, change maybe the color, add a different color, and probably add a section, add my image here, and make it seem more like it belongs to me as opposed to just some cookie cutter thing that's out here. So glad you stayed to the end of the training. See you in the next part of the training.